Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you an order from Paige Evans. Now, sadly, this is not a collection from Paige Evans. I really adore Paige Evans' work. I really love her collections. I love her style. I have taken some of her classes in person at the Crop and Create, and I really resonate with her style of scrapbooking. The one thing that I wish that she did different, and it's just my own personal preference, is the colors of her collections. I love things that are muted and pastels and light colors, and she does a lot of really bold, beautiful colors, but they're just not my style. And I have had some of her collections, and anytime I make something with the things that I get from her collections, I do like it because it's something so different from what I normally gravitate towards. But I did have a chance to purchase something from her this time and support her that actually isn't from her collection, but from her collaboration. And I will show them to you. These are handmade in Brazil, and they are the albums, the Sequin Shaker albums. So this is a beautiful binder. Oh gosh, it even has, and it's really hard to see, an embossed, wow. It says on here, I'm not going to be able to show that to you. I'll have to flip the camera around. Here's a close-up look of the album. Paige Taylor Evans, GiDeMello. That's their collaboration, so that's really neat that she has a way to emboss that. I did a pre-order of the 6x8 album for $49. This is the one that she currently has left on her site for the up-and-coming July 4th virtual class that she is going to be doing, and you can get a whole kit that way, or you can just purchase the album itself, which is what I have done with the Valentine's Day album. It's really quite beautiful workmanship. It is so sparkly and pretty, and you can see the shaker mix. It's got like gorgeous details and stitching. It's just so pretty. I've seen her make, and you may have as well, her Halloween mini albums. It's something you can actually even purchase on her site. She has a 4x4 mini album virtual class for $31. No supplies, but all of the instructions on how to create it with pre-recorded videos. So I also got a second one in the 4x4 size. And the stitching around this one is black. And it's so pretty. So this would be great to do a Halloween little October daily. Here's the 4x4 album. It does not have the embossed logo on it. Probably to do with the space, but it's a really nice construction. The corners are rounded. You can see the pretty sequin mix. There's stars, circles, hearts, squares, and this pink one also had circles, squares, little mini hearts, no stars in this one. And then this is a Make Your Memory book advertisement. So she has a book out, Learn How to Make 9 Modern Scrapbook Layouts, 5 Handmade Cards for a Variety of Occasions, 3 beautiful mini albums with this comprehensive guide from popular paper crafter Paige Evans. Does anybody have this book? Looks like a really great book. I didn't realize that it had very specific instructions within the book. I thought it was a lot of examples, techniques. Here is all of her information. I will link it down below as well. But if you are interested in any of Paige's work, she does unbelievably creative hand-stitched pages, beautiful layouts. So much time and attention to detail is spent in her work, and it's really quite inspiring. I just wanted to share that with you. She has a number of different classes that she offers. She has a number of different products available on her website. I will link it down below if you are interested in checking out this collaboration, or if you're interested in purchasing like an entire kit to be able to create. This is a gorgeous addition to my craft room. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you're interested in paper crafting, scrapbooking, junk journaling, planning, all the like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you again next time.